So this is what you do for clock mechanism. You put the clock mechanism in, the rubber sealer, the washer, and then the nut should be hand tight. You don't need a tool for the nut. Just make it hand tight so that the clock mechanism isn't completely loose or bouncing around in the back. Then you start with the smallest clock hand, and you just pop that in. I use 2 fingers and just sort of pop it into place. There we go. The next one, pop it in place. Just fits right in there. And then the second hand just pops right in to the hole there. And what you want to do is use the wheel in the back to move the clock hands around, just so they're not hitting each other. They are thin metal, they all are, and you just need to sort of bend up or down just a smidgen a little bit to make sure they're not hitting one another. Like this one, I think in the back would definitely hit. And that's it.